of the people that I meet, feel as silent as the earth beneath my feet. So if I'm shaking prayer and all I have is not enough, forgive me, I've been given so much. And I am blessed every time I look into my baby's eyes. I think of all the friends who've touched my life. I realize in this world where some have more and some less, I am loved and I am blessed every time I look into my baby's eyes. I think of all the friends who touched my life, and I am blessed every time I look into my baby's eyes. I think of all the friends who touched my life. I realize peace and happiness in this world where some have more and some have less. I have love and
Maraming salamat, Scholar Laarni. Na-bless naman kami sa awitin mong iyon. Pero ganun din kaya ang nararamdaman ni Jor Louie.
Laarni, blessed ka nga talaga. Dahil ganda, buong kanta mo, napakaganda. Meron lang isang parte doon na hindi dumikit masyado nung kumambyo yung key, nagbago yung key, no? Pero like a real star, sumabay ka naman at hindi ka nawala ng parang pro ka talaga ngayong gabi. So, congratulations. And I think you'll be in the top 3, no doubt.
Thank you po. Thank you. Maraming salamat.